Fans, today we're gonna unbox this boxing. I don't know what is it yet, but we'll open it. Let's see here. There's 10. Okay. Now we can open it up. How do we open it? Oh. Ooh. Wow. Wow. So many stuff. Okay. There's orange confetti. Let's see, that's all. So, what? Is this a book? What is this? It looks like a book. Should we open it, guys? Let's open it. We'll open one. Okay, so my mom finally break it. So, let's see. It sounds like an eraser, but is it gonna be an eraser? That is an eraser, a type quattro eraser. Why everything is an eraser? This is like my melody eraser. Everything, two of these are eraser. Bye bye, Curie fans. And if you like this video, then make sure to have a thumbs up. Bye bye.